How to import Illustrator file in Blender and make it 3D extrude. Step 1. Save Illustrator file as SVG. Open your design in Adobe Illustrator. Go to File, Export, Export As. Choose SVG as the file type. Click OK and save the file. Step 2. Open Blender and import SVG. Open Blender. Delete the default cube, press X key. Go to File, Import, Scalable Vector Graphics to SVG time. Select your SVG file and click Import. Step 3. Zoom in and find the imported design. Sometimes the SVG design is very small. Press numpad period to focus on the object, or zoom in and look near the center of the scene. Step 4. Make it 3D extrude. Go to the right side Properties panel. Click the Curve icon for curve settings. In the Geometry section, increase the extrude value, e.g. 0.1 or 0.2 to add thickness. Step 5. Add materials and render. Go to Material Properties to add color or textures. Set up lights and a camera in your scene. Press F12 to render and see the final result. Subscribe for more Blender tips. Watch more tutorials on J Creative. Learn fast, create better. Stay inspired.